I come home at 6. I came home late last night.
I eat breakfast at home. I ate breakfast this morning.
I see my friend at work. I saw my friend yesterday. I drink water every day. I drank water after lunch.
I take the bus to work. I took the bus yesterday. I go to work every day. I went to work yesterday. I get up early on weekdays. I got up late today. I make dinner at home. I made dinner last night.
I do my homework in the evening. I did my homework yesterday.
I have lunch at noon. I had lunch with my friend. I buy food at the store. I bought food yesterday. I feel tired after work. I felt tired yesterday. I run in the park. I run in the park yesterday. I give my friend a gift. I gave my friend a gift yesterday.
I sleep early on weekdays. I slept early last night.
I drive to work. I drove to work yesterday. I bring lunch to work. I brought lunch yesterday. I begin work at 9. I began work late yesterday. I sit near the window. I sat near the window earlier. I stand in line. I stood in line yesterday. I hear music outside. I heard music last night. I think about my plans. I thought about my plans yesterday. I leave home at 8. I left home early today. I meet my friends on weekends. I met my friends last weekend.